Look at Sunshine Beach. I tell you, say, I want to look at house around here already. This is one place in Jamaica I didn't tour much. Look at that. Live. I'm gonna buy a piece of property in Portland and just be like in a Port Antonio. Make sure the family come together. Buy a Port Antonio. We are here. Beautiful Port Antonio. I made it. I feel like kissing the ground. I remember when I was little and I used to come here. Wow. I think I'm gonna kiss the ground when I come out of this bus. Land of good. See, Jamaica good life there. Land of good and water. See it? Land of good and water, right? That's a Jamaica good life. Land of good and water. That is their ad. Eh? This is land of good and water. That's Jamaica good life. So, if this film and this journey hasn't convinced you yet to come back home and buy land, I'm not sure what will. That's the motive here. Bring the people them back home. Invest. Build up on a country. Love up on a country. Stop running from a country. Live longer life. Yes, people. I'm in the beautiful garden. You know, I love Portland more than I love Manchester, you know. Two of my favorite parishes in Jamaica is Portland and St. Mary. And now Port Antonio. But people are playing loading at 12 o'clock. Come on, people. Jamaica have too much crime. Even though homeless, they might chill out. Supplies in a canteen. The lady there sell our clothes down what they use. Welcome to Port Antonio Marina. Antonio Tax Office. Knoxford Express. Boom. We are here. And I'm gonna start the filming. I'm tired. It's been a long journey. Keep supporting Jamaica Good Life. Gonna rebrand this country. Positive. Focus on the positive, you know? Keep supporting. I'm gonna go now.
Let me welcome you all to your destination, Port Antonio. You're at Errol Flynn Marina. And it was my pleasure taking you here. Wishing you a wonderful day.
Everybody on a good? Alright. This right hand, it may not waste no time to the man, yeah? This is the man called Everton.
One love.
It looks like say you have got left to GoPro with because see there. Now I'm in Port Antonio and Everton. When we reach the dirt, more and kiss the dirt because I see how the place stay.
Right?
How long you've lived here?
Well, you know, most of my life though, you know, because born and grow. Yeah man, it's a good place, you know. Like it's a sudden change in Port Antonio. It's like from being rainforest into a good society also mixed with the rainforest. So it's a good vibe. You will see further what I mean. Yeah man.
How far do you live from here?
Well, it's just like 7 minutes from here.
Yeah, yeah?
Yeah man, 7 minutes.
You have family?
Yes man, I have all families around.
You have kids?
Yes, I have one daughter.
She lives with you?
No, not at the moment, but she's coming soon.
Wonderful. So this is Port Antonio. I'm excited about the journey as the people are. They view the content, they love the experience. And this is Jamaica Good Life. So every now and then you'll say Jamaica Good Life. Look at this place. And you give a lot of people tours?
Yes man, like almost every day.
Yeah?
Yeah man.
So you're gonna spend the whole week with me?
Yes sir.
Respect, sir. We have to take care of you.
Yes sir.
Wow.
Yes, man.
So you are full Rasta.
Yeah man, we don't joke with that one. You see that one is serious. Because you see, many people say they are Rasta, but they never really live the life of a Rasta man.
Yeah?
You know?
Yeah. Ital you deal with?
Well, I did Ital, you know. But I wouldn't put a man in the position if he cannot afford Ital. Because, you know, Ital is a little bit more expensive if you don't plant it and you can reap from your own plants. Then life becomes harder. But as a Rasta man, if you have a little farm and you still work a little money, you can put things together, man, and don't trouble meat.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, man.
One of the mission here,
Yes.
looking at the falls and your brethren, Mike, I want to big up Mike for making this possible.
Yes, sir.
And he told me about you. He says, once you meet him, man, you'll see the liberty.
Yes, sir.
You know, you'll
Respect
feel the
to
vibe.
Respect to that.
You know, and that's what Mike said.
Yes, sir.
And you're doing this for Jamaica.
Yes, sir.
So part of this mission is not so much you're a tour guide, but you're now going to be a representative to bring Jamaicans back.
Yes.
Jamaica Good Life purpose is to rebrand Jamaica good. We've heard a lot of negativity. Port Antonio is going to be one place where, I didn't set up my mic yet, the wind is blowing, but Port Antonio is going to be one place that's going to pull them, because I know how beautiful it is here, and what we want our people to do is to come back and buy land, especially here where privatization of tourism is big.
Yeah, man.
So that's your brethren.
Yeah, man.
Yes, King. Respect.
Plant the money, do all that thing. Hard work.
Respect, respect.
Yes, yes, that's it.
So give me a little bit of history if you know anything about this history of...
History of Port Antonio.
Yeah.
Well, Port Antonio history is a wide one. It's a small place, but wide history. Because it's back in the days. Used to be a lot of sites of course. time as time change, they all have to migrate it away from all that they created. You know, which was just time, you know, time change, and people living here start to take a stand to develop more in the society which they learned from the past tense. You know, and the vibes here is different. Because if you look around, like this building, so it's a monument. We try to do 7 different castles around. But it wouldn't be allowed to go across to the sea as in some countries.
Okay.
So they have to stop it and just finish it off like this. So this is one of the history of the farm building. That's the name of the people who used to be here who have made this building possible.
Okay.
They got charged for money laundering through something or thing that was supposed to be possible in other countries. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah, man. And up there, that's the Teachfield area.
Teachfield?
Yeah, man. That used to be a military barrow. And also a school.
Okay.
Yes, and King and Queen used to live up there. We'll take a view up there one of the time, you know.
Okay,
Yeah,
good
Queen
time.
Street and Queen Street.
Alright.
This is the Port Antonio Market.
Port Antonio Market.
Yes, man. So let's take a little walk.
Yes, yes.
Sonia.
You sure the bag is not too heavy?
No, man, everything.
So you smoke your herbs?
Yeah, man.
Organic?
Well, go on, Rasta, man. Yes, man. Straight
Respect,
organic.
respect.
That's right. And this, he has a good herb farm, so
Yeah?
we can visit it.
Yeah,
when we're
man.
ready to,
Respect.
you know. Yeah, man.
The whole world I got known, you know, so you know, I come to expose tourism here with the locals like you,
Okay.
to bring the people I'm in and show them all about.
Yeah, man.
You see me? Respect.
Respect. So I'm going different. Yeah, man, I run a nut so we go on and come back. So, I'm going to circle Rasta.
So enough Rasta man around here.
Yeah, man, in Port Antonio is like, you would say, kind of come like Bubba, you know? Yeah, because you got the Rastas they spread out around, you know?
Oh, do they have a main camp here?
You mean in Port Antonio?
We can go to a bubble camp?
Yeah, man. There's one in Buff Bay, and there's one near where we live.
In Buff Bay, I went to Buff Bay
Went to
Primary, you know.
Buff Bay.
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir.
I've lived in St. Catherine, St. Mary, Manchester, Clarendon,
Yes, sir.
Portland. Yeah, man. So,
Like here,
yeah.
the Port Antonio Market.
Okay.
Where the locals, everybody chill every day.
This is the vibe.
Yeah, man. That's
Yes,
the part,
King.
right. I didn't want you to catch this spot. That's right. That's it. I know me not pass, you know. We bring it to the real King, man, you know. Yeah, man.
That's why I sit down and what I measure here, you know. I come from afar, you know. Yes? Okay.
This, you know?
Yours.
Yeah. Try not to keep it natural as much, you know, as real as possible. I don't like the Chinese things. If you notice, me not Chinese nothing in the shop. I don't buy and sell Chinese goods. I never go out them wholesale and them places, you know what I mean? Yeah. We have to wake up to where I'm going around us, what I say. Yeah. As a black people right now, we are coming from this land, like forest people, yeah. And now we see black people act like them are no entity and a fight for becomes carbon white. You know, by speaking, churching.
So we're going to sit down and spend some time with you. I come from Africa too, you know.
Alright.
So I have the original hut, you know. They gave me the original hut.
Where you come from?
So when you see me, I come to for the tourist thing. May I go all of it? May I go all of it? May I go sit down?
I have to hold of it, because right now, I tell them, you know, say Africa live it in
Yes, sir.
So anyway you see Africa, from the people them see I even, no matter when me put on king.
So now you have to go bless me with 2 more. And when me leave, I'm not ready to leave out. Now come on and make it, man. Everything good. Alright, now say that. Respect, love. Every time. Yeah, man. So him see the level. Yes, I love it, Everton.
Yes,
Everton, you know what?
Yes,
Go international, you know. That is a blessing. Good day. Respect. Now put no camera on it. Yes, you have the real thing. Stop. Let me see it. See it there. No. This.
Oh, me and can watch.
Yeah. You see that? You don't know. So this is your place. Your place, this. So fish and more fish than deal with. Yeah. So more if you speak louder if you can, when you can. I know say you're easy and relaxed, but a year time in the world now.
Man, that's a show.
This a year
Yeah, man,
time.
it's a lane here, a lane vibe there. So now I can meet one of the DJ friend now.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, good DJ. I'm getting out here. We have good vibes. So we can
The one them say Jamaica, no worth it no more. So we are tried through, we document the herbs and things.
Yeah, man. Reason why people that say Jamaica. The worthwhile because the farmer, them die out. And the farmer are the one that build the country and build the world. Because you can't fight a war with hunger, man. And the youth them have today, they are so lazy. They live off what the family left off. Who were the farmer back in the days? Look on the road and you see, you that's the people with basket on the head of a market. So without food, you can't have a good country. And without the farmer, there is no productive youth or youth. Because you much money at work, you have to take you and buy your man banana. And the farmer have to need clothes and the tailor have to need them.
So may I go sit down? Alright, I have 2,000 bucks for me. I bring 2,000 to Africa, I bring in 2,000 here. Digital.
William Street.
William Street. Sorry, this is Port Antonio. First time really exploring this area. Feel good energy from Everton. Man live here for how many years again?
Most of my life.
Most of your life. And how old are you? 33. What's your main principle in life? What you live by every day?
Just blessing. Keep the order of how his movements is and make life a much easier one, which like planting products and creating a little hostel, you know. Trying to get people to come back into Jamaica to see what their roots and know that it's still one love, not losing everything, running away off. And then you have a big country and your same family lives in this country, you know. It's time, man.
It's time.
It's time. It's time. Blessing.
How many guests do you give tours to on a weekly basis? How do you find your guests?
Sometimes it's like online, and the next time it can be by just friends, just sending other friends that have been here before, you know? Yeah, so like during a week, I can pull up like depends on if it's tours where I carry 7 people at once, and depends on how much days, or if it's just a one-day tour. Yeah, but there's tours that can last a week, there's tours that can last 2 days. So sometimes I can say that like 3 times a week I could have tours and spending 2 days in every parts that we did. Okay. Yeah, man. So it depends on the flow. But there's always tours.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
What's the happiest thing about your life?
My life. That I get to do this.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Because the spirit of showing back Jamaica is still a beautiful island. One of the most beautiful islands, I would say.
In the world.
Because I've been around some places too. Yeah, man. So I think this is still one of the
I
best.
appreciate that lady, honey, you know. She looks very rich and powerful. Your family will come in spirit. That's what I say. That's what I believe. You must have family from Manchester too.
My grandma usually live in Manchester.
That's what I see now, you. Manchester, my that's what I say.
Belvini Heights?
No, Mal Gully.
Usually from that side.
See that? Low.
Yes,
It's nice. I love people, you know, me's a man of people, you know?
Yeah, man.
So you say your life is beautiful.
Yeah, man. I mean, if it's just material things people call beautiful, then they're missing out a lot, because you can have material things and be a very sick person, and that's not gonna help you know. But when you have your health and you can wake up in the morning to the sunshine,
Yeah.
and you can look from your home to the sea,
Yeah.
or you can run to the mountain for a jelly or something.
Uh-huh.
Feel alive. You know? Yeah, when you feel alive, I don't think nothing is more important. You know? So it's vibes, it's vibes.
One of the mission here is to find out where people can purchase land.
Purchase
Yeah.
land.
Yes.
Well, that's not hard, right? Because here in Portland, there's a lot of lands available for sale. You know? You just have to be prepared for a few prices.
Okay.
Differences, because you know different size land, different size money. Yeah, mental wise, until you can see where you get the right thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. But everybody cool. Around here, you can get land in the Prospect area to be bought. You can get land in the Fairhill area to be bought. Land in the Nailers area to be bought. Land in the 94 Hilltop area here. You know, going all the way back to Nansuch, Berrydale. Places like these. These are like sky views. These are not even. These are like when you build a house on top of this.
Yeah.
You feel good. You feel like.
And you know those places
Yeah, all of them. All of them.
overlook the ocean.
Yeah. All of these places.
So there's a lot of tourists that comes around here.
Yeah, man, a lot. Too much. Too much, yeah. People love the vibes.
Yeah.
People love the vibes. And when you love the vibes, you want to keep coming back. Respect. Yeah. So, it's pure energy. I just see Rasta man them everywhere.
Okay.
Blessed fam.
It's like a good vibe.
Yeah,
Now the herbs, is it organic around here?
nobody here planting with anything bad inside.
Eh? Because them are compete for the...
The property is fruitful. The lands, they're very fruitful. They don't need that.
Okay.
You know? Yeah, man.
Water is here.
Water is here. And the mineral is always floating into this.
Okay.
And there's a lot of caves.
So I'm gonna have to come back and spend an entire month here. And if someone wanted to rent a place for a month, because in Negril,
Yes, sir.
I'll pay like 200 US for the whole month.
For the whole month.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
with someone that's local.
Yes, sir.
You see me?
Yes, sir.
We're not talking about the hotel business.
Hotel business.
You see me?
Yeah, local vibes are.
Yes, because this place is gonna take some time to discover. It's something about this place I like. Even the homeless are having a good time. Yeah. This is Cader Park. Okay. Wow, Port Antonio. So more time you just walk home all the time. You walk home most of the time.
Yeah, man. Because it's easy. From town to here, right? It's like an adventure. It's like you take an adventure. Like.
Do you have a driver's license?
Yes, I do.
You can drive?
Yeah, man, very well. I don't just go around.
Okay.
Sometimes, so there's some places to go.
And there are people who rent their cars.
Yeah, man.
And what would be a rental per day?
Well, it depends, man. There is like small cars and bigger cars, old school cars and newer cars, so and jeeps and stuff like that. So let's say you're renting an old school car, I think they would start at 4,000 Jamaican, you know, but still in sturdy condition. Used school car, they would go like 6,000, 7,000 Jamaican per day. But that's still reasonable price because it's what they could earn by themselves anyway.
And you know the links.
And I know the links for all of them.
Good.
So, yes, sir.
So it's best to work through you. Me and you just get a car.
Yeah, man. And we also can get quad bikes too. Right here. My friend here has some quad bikes right there.
Okay. We have to show the people what you're capable of.
Yeah, man.
Because this is a promotion for your business.
Yes, sir.
So you understand that the blessings that you're going to be global on Jamaica Good Life as the tour guide for Jamaica Good Life.
Yes, sir.
Because of your vibe and things. So it will work out for everyone.
Yes, sir. It's true.
I have to go put on my wind thing for my mic because notice that this place windy.
Windy. Yeah, man.
One second. Give thanks, sir. How you doing? I'm Randy, passenger from Jamaica Good Life. On the internet, on YouTube. Can I film your juices?
Yeah, you can.
And what kind of juice are these?
Okay. This one is pineapple, mango, guava, and this cane juice. Coconut water.
Which one tastes the best?
This one, what?
All my juice are cane juice based. So it's sweetened by cane juice. Right? And I have the natural flavors.
Okay. How much is one?
These are the 2 and these are the 3.
How much is it for a Jamaican from Manchester?
Huh? Same thing.
No, man, it can't be the same thing.
From Manchester. Palmont.
Mile Gully.
Mandeville.
You have to treat me different. You have to say excuse me. You have to say excuse me, miss.
I'm sorry.
You can't do that like, no, you mess up my whole spirit. I deal with a spiritual thing right now. You see, you just, all right, go on, do you think?
10 minutes. Come here. All right, come.
Father. What go on, Father?
Yeah, I'll find you, man.
Everything good? You look for me? Why you look for me? Why you look for me?
When I look at you, I see you taking picture.
See me taking picture?
Yeah,
Oh, you know me taking picture.
I see that.
You know who I am?
No,
The one that brings back Jamaica home.
well, that would be good.
Yeah, so I'm promoting the place, you know? Are you finished now, ma'am? You're good? All right. So now talk to me now. I'm a bridging. Set me up. You're global. Them want to see you treat me right. Because me's a kind of a national hero right now.
Yeah, me know you're national here. I'm on the go back Friday, you know. Now I go back down there this week.
You come from Mandeville?
No, I'm going back there.
Good.
Yeah, because I'm market can breadfruit.
All right, so set me up. One, this one, and which one you want?
One here, what?
That pineapple.
Pineapple.
One little bit of orange in there. That one could right.